Log on to justprint.in where you get face-to-face with complete printing, packaging and delivery right at your doorstep. Justprint.in is here for all your printing needs for presentations, bound documents, certificates, digital photographs, manuals, booklets, flyers, posters, newsletters and brochures. Justprint.in is an online printing portal that utilizes innovative printing technology to reduce the customer's burden of going to a printing shop. The first step is to register yourself on www.justprint.in by filling in your personal details. After getting registered, Justprint.in creates your personal homepage which only you can access with your login ID and password. The next step requires the uploading of the document that you want to print. You can do this by selecting the Uploading File option from Build menu. After uploading the document, select the Build My Document option from Build menu, which will allow you to design the pattern of your document. You get the option of selecting paper quality ranging from 75 GSM to 300 GSM and paper size among A4, A3, A2, A1 and A0. Along with these, you can also choose color scheme, print site and finishing layout, and can also post special instructions you want Justprint.in to follow. After selecting everything as per your requirements, you can click on Save and Continue option if you want to print it right now, or you can click on Save and Create New option in case you want to print it later and can make and save settings in other documents as well. When you click on Save and Continue option, the shopping cart window opens, which gives you detailed information about your document or documents including the printing cost. After clicking on Continue option, you will have to give details about the recipient or recipients, and your job is all over. You can just relax and all the further work will be taken care by Justprint.in web portal. Backed by an experienced conglomerate, the Overnight Express Group, Justprint assures the delivery of your documents with world-class quality printing and packaging. And since you create your own separate account, all your information remains 100% secure and private. Justprint.in gives you an option of downloading the virtual printer driver, with which Justprint.in option gets added to the print menu of all your windows. And moreover, you get the option of making payment through your PayPals like Visa and MasterCard. Payment through debit cards is also possible. Justprint.in is a one-stop solution for all your printing, packaging and delivering needs. To learn more, you can log on to www.justprint.in and you can also call on these numbers on screen.